Welcome to the 800 by 500 indoor base range assembly instructions. When you open the cartons, you will find the columns, the spider, and the base. You will also need a drill gun with a 5mm Allen key bit and thread lock. Firstly, remove the screws from both ends of the columns using the drill. Stand the columns upright on any end as they are the same. Grab the spider, identify the different sides and place it on top of the columns, lining up the holes. Apply thread lock to 4 of the screws and place them through the spider holes into the column. Use the impact drill to gradually tighten the screws, securing the spider in place. Next, flip the columns over so the spider is face down. Grab the base and place it on top, lining up the holes. Apply thread lock to the last 4 screws and place them into the base. Use the impact drill to gradually tighten the screws, securing the base in place. The 800 by 500 bases are simple yet effective and come in 2 colour options, Danube Black or Prague Stainless Steel. They can support up to a 1400 by 800 top and complement the singular square bases perfectly.